All right, so you got your default, delete your default cube. What's this? It's much better. Anyway, delete that. Now what you want to do is press Shift A, mesh, and then just click, and there you go. You got a perfect head. After that, I'm basically gonna go in here, you know, basically make the block out. And now we have the fundamentals to create this. It's a perfect sphere. All quads. Look at that. Amazing, huh? So yeah, you know, hit subscribe with the bell notification icon for very useful tutorials like this. Now, if you want to have some, you know, AI booty, look at this. Jiggledy diggledy. Now, in a next video, I can show you how to create AI booty. Look at that. This whole model was generated, and we can shake things around like that, you see, for all you perverts out there.